for Robeson, northwestern Dillon and Marlborough counties until 3 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near McCall, or 9 miles south of. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, northern Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Riemann, or 9 miles south of Laurinburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Pembroke, Maxton, St. Paul's, Roland, Smiths, Howellsville, Riemann, Hestertown, Bowie, Robeson Community College, Barker 10 Mile, Purvis, Prospect, Elrod, Tillersville, McDonald, Rainham, and Southeastern Regional Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.